Hello, my name is Emma, and I'm going to tell you about my day. Every morning starts the same way. My alarm clock rings at 6:30. I don't like waking up early, but I have to go to work. I open my eyes and look at the window. Is it sunny or rainy today? I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. First, I wash my face with cold water. The cold water helps me wake up. Then I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. My toothbrush is blue. After that, I take a quick shower. The warm water feels nice on my skin. When I finish my shower, I dry myself with a big towel. I go back to my bedroom and open my closet. What should I wear today? I look outside again. It's cold, so I choose warm clothes. I put on black pants and a red sweater. I also wear comfortable shoes because I walk a lot during the day. Now it's time for breakfast. This is my favorite part of the morning. I go downstairs to the kitchen. My cat, Milo, is waiting for me. He's always hungry in the morning. I give him his food first. He eats very fast. I make coffee for myself. The smell of fresh coffee is wonderful. While the coffee is ready, I prepare my breakfast. Sometimes I eat cereal with milk. Other times I make toast with butter and jam. Today I want something different. I decide to make scrambled eggs. I crack 2 eggs into a bowl. I add a little salt and pepper. Then I cook them in a pan. They look delicious. I sit at the kitchen table and eat my breakfast slowly. I don't like to rush in the morning. I drink my coffee and read the news on my phone. There are many interesting stories today. I spend about 20 minutes having breakfast. After breakfast, I wash my dishes and put them away. I don't like leaving dirty dishes in the sink. Then I brush my teeth again. I want my teeth to be clean all day. It's almost 8 o'clock. I need to leave soon. I go back upstairs and check my bag. Do I have everything? I look inside. Yes, I have my wallet, my keys, and my phone. I also pack my lunch. I made a sandwich last night. I put it in a plastic container with an apple and some cookies. I put on my jacket because it's cold outside. I also take my umbrella. The weather can change quickly. I look in the mirror one last time. I look good. I'm ready to go. I say goodbye to Milo. He's sleeping on the couch now. Lucky cat. He can sleep all day. I open the front door and step outside. The air is fresh and cool. I lock the door behind me and start walking to the bus stop. The bus stop is 5 minutes away from my house. I walk past my neighbor's garden. Mrs. Johnson grows beautiful flowers. Today I see red roses and yellow tulips. They're very pretty. I wave to Mr. Chen. He's getting into his car. He waves back and smiles. I arrive at the bus stop. 3 other people are waiting there. I recognize them. We take the same bus every morning, but we don't talk much. We just nod and smile at each other. I look at my watch. It's 8:15. The bus should arrive in 3 minutes. I'm not late today. That's good. Yesterday I missed the bus and had to wait 20 minutes for the next one. While I wait, I think about my day at work. I work in an office downtown. What will happen today? I have meetings scheduled for this morning. I also need to finish a report by the end of the day. My boss wants to see it tomorrow. I think I can finish it if I focus. The bus arrives right on time. The doors open and we all get on. I tap my bus card on the reader. It beeps and shows a green light. Good. I walk down the aisle looking for a seat. The bus is quite full this morning. I find a window seat near the middle. I sit down and put my bag on my lap. A woman sits next to me. She's reading a book. I look out the window as the bus starts moving. We drive through my neighborhood. I see shops opening for the day, a bakery, a bookstore, a small cafe. People are walking their dogs. Children are going to school with their backpacks. The city is waking up. After 10 minutes, we reach the downtown area. The buildings here are tall and modern. Many people get off at this stop. The woman next to me stands up and leaves. Now I have more space. I take out my phone and check my messages. My friend Sarah sent me a text. She wants to meet for lunch today. That sounds nice. I reply and say yes. We agree to meet at 12:30 at the Italian restaurant near my office. I put my phone away and look outside again. We're getting close to my stop now. I press the button to request a stop. The bus slows down and stops at the corner. I stand up and walk to the front door. Thank you, I say to the bus driver. He nods. I step off the bus onto the sidewalk. My office building is right across the street. It's a tall glass building with 20 floors. I work on the 8th floor. I walk to the entrance and push through the revolving door. The lobby is busy with people arriving for work. I walk to the elevator and press the up button. I wait with several other people. The elevator arrives and we all get in. Someone presses 8 for me because they're also going to that floor. The elevator moves smoothly upward. It stops at floors 3, 5, and 8. I get out at 8 and walk down the hallway. My office is at the end. I open the door and see my coworker James already at his desk. "Good morning," he says. "Good morning," I reply. "How was your evening?" "It was good, thanks." "I went to the gym." "That's great," I say. I sit down at my desk and turn on my computer. While it starts up, I take my lunch out of my bag and put it in the small refrigerator in our office kitchen area. Then I return to my desk. My computer is ready now. I log in and check my email. I have 15 new messages. Some are important, some are not. I start reading through them. My workday has officially begun. I open the report I was working on yesterday. I read what I wrote and continue from there. I focus completely on my work. Before I know it, an hour has passed. The morning is moving quickly. I'm making good progress on my report. Maybe I can finish it before lunch with Sarah. I finish the last paragraph of my report at 12:20. Perfect timing. I save my work and close the document. I feel satisfied. The report looks good. My boss will be happy. I stand up and stretch my arms. Sitting at a desk all morning makes my body stiff. I grab my wallet and tell James I'm going to lunch. He waves and says, "Enjoy." I take the elevator down to the ground floor and walk outside. The sun is shining now. The morning clouds are gone. I walk 3 blocks to the Italian restaurant. Sarah is already there waiting outside. She smiles when she sees me. We go inside together and find a table by the window. We order pasta and salad. While we eat, we talk about our jobs, our families, and our weekend plans. Lunch with a good friend is always nice. After an hour, we finish eating and say goodbye. I walk back to my office feeling happy and relaxed. The afternoon will be busy, but that's okay. I have energy now. This is my daily routine. Every day is a little different, but the main parts stay the same. Wake up, get ready, eat breakfast, take the bus, work, have lunch, and work some more. It's a simple life, but it's my life, and I like it.